Follow these steps to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. First, launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Heading towards very first solution, navigate to the settings tab. Now head over to the option chats. Enable for the option save to photos. With this setting turned on, now all the photos and videos you receive will automatically be saved to your Photos app. Next one, head back. Head towards the option storage and data. Here you might find the option of auto download. Enable for that option. Then open each of these options, photos, audio, video, and checking for the option of Wi-Fi and cellular. Now heading towards last solution, launch your settings app. Head towards the option general. Click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, click on the option WhatsApp, offload it, click on Offload app, then again reinstall app. With this solution, you'll be good to go. Now all the WhatsApp images that you receive will be shown in your gallery. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.